What if I told you that running was my secret weapon for better managing and overcoming imposter syndrome throughout my career? Yes, I said running, and let me explain why. I found that rather than tackling imposter syndrome in the context that I'm facing it in, I just need to build unrivaled confidence in other parts of my life. And running helps me to do that, because if you can get through the physical and mental pain and challenge that comes with running, especially long distances, you can do anything. Or at least that's what my brain tells me, even if it's delusional thanks to runner's high. Running will remind you how capable you are. So this simple "I can do anything" is what I tell myself in any scenario I face in my career where I'm doubting myself, where I am tasked with doing something that I've not done before. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, and tell myself, you ran 15 kilometers this weekend when you thought you wouldn't be able to, so you can figure this out. Or when I'm the only female in the room and feeling challenged by those circumstances working in such a male-dominated industry, I ask myself, how many of the people in this room would have been able to run 15 kilometers this weekend? And often the answer is not many. And honestly, it helps me. It reminds me how capable I am in such moments of self-doubt. So find what your running is and use that as fuel for how capable you are.